configuration and installation of the virtual machine. You can see here we have Windows 7. Just before you start doing the installation, especially if you're supposed to connect to a wireless router for IP address configuration, you can click on select the virtual machine you created earlier on. You go to settings, you go to network, and instead of NAT, because normally it will take NAT as a default, so you come here and select bridge adapter. Then of course you need to install the operating system. So currently you don't have a DVD connected on the computer, so you have the ISO image. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to add the ISO image to our storage, so that when our computer boots, it will boot automatically with the ISO image, which is also a virtual DVD. So you click on storage. Now you can see on IDE it is empty. So select IDE, then you come to add. Can you see the add button here? It says add. You go to the empty disk. You can see that it's a live DVD. So you don't have a live DVD you're going to be using. You're going to be using an ISO image. So we'll come to Control IDE. You click on this box here. It will say, okay, you have an empty DVD. What do you want to do? You want to leave it empty, or you want to choose a disk? So we want to select, we want to choose a disk. Let me go back again. You come to the icon, this icon first, the first icon, not the second one, the first icon. It says add a CD or the DVD. So we're going to click that, and we're going to say choose a disk. Okay, depending on where your ISO image is located, in my case, my ISO image is located in my documents. More or less, I would prefer you put your ISO image on the desktop, so that it makes it much easier for you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Windows 7 ISO image, and I'm going to click on open, and that is it. So currently my ISO image is added. Now this is the virtual hard drive I created earlier on. So we're going to go to the system menu now. If you notice on our system menu, the boot order, it's floppy, it's DVD, and hard drive, so it's fine. So when we start the virtual machine, it will try to contact the floppy. Definitely the floppy, it's not going to work. It will try to contact the CD-ROM or the DVD. Definitely it's going to work, because we have the ISO image already configured as our DVD. If you come back to storage, that is it there. So it will boot the Windows 7 DVD, and installation will begin. So that's all. Let's click OK now, and we can come here and we can select the Windows 7, and we click on start, and the virtual machine will automatically start. So the virtual machine is starting up now. That is Windows trying to get installed. Okay, starting up. So we'll just wait for it to finish. That's it. So what is happening now? We're doing a normal installation of Windows as if we were installing it on a physical computer. So we'll click on next, and we'll click install. So that is Windows setup is started. So it's starting up. You know, one of the nice interesting about this is exactly the way someone will be doing it on a physical computer. So we're going to accept the license. We're going to click on next, and we're not upgrading because we don't have a current version that was installed before. So we're going to click on custom configuration. So we'll click custom. We're going to take the default, which is 28 we created earlier on, and we're going to click on next. So right there, it's going to copy the file, and it's going to go through the installation, and Windows is going to be installed. When it's installed, it's going to boot up to the startup screen, and we can start with our configuration from there. So I'm going to stop here, and we'll continue from here. Thank you.